we are bringing you a special recipe featuring a truly powerful herb, Brahmi. Known for its incredible brain boosting properties, Brahmi has been a part of traditional Ayurvedic wisdom for centuries. Also known as Manduka Parni or Centella asiatica, Brahmi is famous for its ability to enhance memory, improve focus, and calm the nervous system. We have incorporated this amazing herb into a delicious and nourishing dish, Brahmi rice. This recipe is a perfect way to include Brahmi in your daily diet while enjoying a flavorful and wholesome meal. Stay with us as we guide you through the simple steps to make this nutritious dish at home.